Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ogus, and I'm going to show you how to get to Schoology. I'm going to be your child's ELA teacher. I've been teaching for 16 years now, and this is my 17th year to be teaching 8th grade English. I've been at North Belton for about 4 years. So what you're going to see is in your courses, you'll see first period, and then you'll see that at the top there's a syllabus, or in the updates. I tried to put it there and I don't see it. Okay, syllabus, and then you could click on that, and it'll show you kind of what to be expected in 8th grade English class. So if you want to look at that, you can. And then you'll also be able to go to your child's materials. It's going to be set up by 9 weeks. So there'll be first 9 weeks, second, third, and fourth 9 weeks. Big folders. So within those folders, first 9 weeks has week of September 8th. That's our first week of school. When you click on that, you're going to see a big agenda for the week. And so that's just nothing you click on. You can't really do anything to that. It just shows you what we do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So on Tuesday, September 8th, you can click on the week, and it shows you each item in order. There's the COVID student health for first period, then you watch the videos, and then task 1, task 2, task 3, 4, however many tasks there are. Each item is put into student progress, so they have to go in order. You have to open this before you can open the next, and before you can open the following, and so forth. So I just wanted to show you what your child's Schoology would look like. Again, they would click on their class period, first, second, third, and so on, first 9 weeks. And then each week is going to show up as it becomes available. So you'll only see week of September 8th, and the next week you'll be able to see week of September 14th. Right now it's all unpublished, so your child's Schoology might not show everything that I see. Within each week, it'll have the days. So if you're an A person, you'll see different days of the week than a B person. If you're first or 8th period, you're going to see all 5 days, except for the first week, you'll see 4 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because you visit that class every single day. Okay, so that was my practice. Let me see if I can pause this. Nice to meet you, and I hope to look forward to meeting your child and getting to know him or her this week and in the following weeks.